Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon because this channel is about technology. This channel is full about technology that you will never disappoint by my videos of technology. So basically in this video I am gonna tell you that how you can upload a short on YouTube. So this is a very simple step how you can upload a post. So basically if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my technological videos, and after receiving the notification you are able to watch my videos, and the creed of your of watching videos and getting your knowledge about technology is fulfilled by my videos. So in future we are gonna see, oh, sorry, you have to see many more about technology. So that's gone insane and very helpful for you. So without wasting our time, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So as you have seen the title and thumbnail, that in today's video I am telling you about how you can upload a post on YouTube. So without wasting our time, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and let's get start our video. So for uploading a short on YouTube, you must have a YouTube app. And for YouTube app you will go on Play Store on Android, and you or for iOS you will go on App Store and download YouTube. So simply here is YouTube. I have already installed it and I will open it from my folder. So here is YouTube. I'm gonna click it. So as you can see that interference is open, so you can see that there are many videos, but a small amount of ads and post are of many type. There is not a single post. There are posts of like this, comparing anything, and post of, so we can I'm telling you. So simply you can see that at the bottom there are many options like home, short, plus. Okay, the main thing that for uploading a post or anything on YouTube you should must have a YouTube channel. For creating a YouTube channel, you can see that I have already have a channel, so I didn't need to create again. So simply you can see that there are at the bottom there are 5 options: home, short, plus, subscription, library. So I will click on plus. You can see that there are 4 options: create a short, upload a video, go live, and create a post. So as I am telling you about how you can upload or create a post on YouTube. So simply you will click on create a post. So you can see that here my gallery is open, but at the top you can see that quiz, text poll, image poll. What is open? Oh my god. Okay, image poll and text. So first of all I am telling you about quiz. So if you want to ask any quiz for like that, 2 plus 2. Okay, what happened, keep writing. Okay, 2 plus 2. Okay, I don't want to select any channel. uh, okay, 2 plus 2, answer correct is I am writing here 4 and 7. Okay, 2 plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 I have right here. So I have write also the answers, and I will click on post. So simply my post is created. I am viewing my post. You can see that here my post is 2 plus 2. And simply, and we will see other options like text poll. You can see poll, which hairstyle is best hair. Okay, best hair style, add options. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, I'm gonna add this. Okay, like this and this, best hairstyle. Okay, we will delete one image, but it takes some time for processing. Select image and I will select this. and you can see that here it is, and it will, you can simply click on post and your post will be generated. My net is slow as I have tell you. So the third option is about image poll. You have to poll between two image, and text is how are you, and you can write anything and post it. So in this video I have tell you how you can create and upload post on YouTube. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, like this video, subscribe our channel. Meet you guys soon. Take care. Goodbye.